Select Forms from the menu bar to access key worldwide tax return forms professionally translated into English. You'll see a list of U.S. tax forms displayed by default. To access the English translation of a foreign form, choose a country in the upper left. Select a country from the list or do a keyword search, for example, Germany. Select the country, then click Done. All available forms for Germany will be displayed by default, organized by year. You can also organize the forms by type in the upper right by clicking on Corporate Income Tax, Value-Added Tax, Withholding Tax, or Transfer Pricing. We show the original language form in German and then the English equivalent that has been professionally translated by certified translators in the local countries. To pull up a blank translation of the corporate tax declaration form in English, click on the link to open the PDF. Or click on the Compare icon under the Compare column to compare between the English translation and the original German form. Then click Compare. This gives you a side-by-side comparison with the English translation on the left and the original German form on the right. You can download or print either document or both documents side by side. Click Done Comparing to return to the previous screen. You can also create a certified English translation of a foreign form and do a currency conversion using the required FX rates. Let's say you already have a form that your subsidiary in Germany has filed for the year 2012, and you want to do a translation of the form. The first step is to translate the language into English. Click on the Compare icon, then select Compare Your Document, and browse to your saved file. The document must be in PDF format, so if it's not, you'll need to convert it to PDF before you upload. If the form happens to be scanned, you'll want to select the checkbox next to Treat as Scanned. Then check the box to create a certified translation of your document. Then click Compare. This will show you the side-by-side comparison with the original German form your company filed on the left and the certified translation in English on the right. So we took a completed form that was filed in Germany along with a blank form maintained in our forms database and transferred all of the information from the filed form onto the blank form. It's as if we took the actual form you filed in Germany, gave it to our certified translators, and had them translate it into English. Now that we have a certified translation of the form in English, we can perform a currency conversion for all of the dollar amounts on the form. You can assume all of the numbers in the German form are in euros. I have scrolled down to row 20 on each form, and you can see the profit is listed in euros as 191.199. To do a currency conversion on any of the numbers, click Select FX Rates from the top right. Select the From Currency, which is set to Euro, and the To Currency, which is set to the US dollar. You can also choose to show the currency symbol or not. On the right, select the spot rate as of today or choose a different date from the drop-down. Or select the average rate, which we calculate based on the beginning and ending period date that you select. You can override the exchange rate provided by manually typing in the field. Check the box to show notes if you want to see the conversion details at the bottom of the form. Select Apply to All if you want to apply the currency conversion to all numbers. However, since we're working with a form, we're not going to check this box because we don't want the numbered rows or the tax year to be converted. Then click Done. If you hover on the number in the revised document, you can click on the green check mark to accept the translation into US dollars. Notice it's now listed in US dollars. To convert back, hover on the number again and click on the Undo button. If you scroll to the end of the document, you'll see that we've added a footnote with the conversion details, which corresponds to the Show Notes button that we selected on the previous screen. After you complete the currency conversions, you have a certified translation of the document in English in US dollars. At that point, you can download either document or both documents side by side or print. To translate an Excel or Word file, click Translate in the upper right. Then browse to your saved file. I'm going to select an Excel file for this example. Select your from language, which is English, and the to language, which I'll select French. Then click Download Translation. When it's finished, click Download to open your file. Notice the Excel document has been translated from English into French. After the document has downloaded, you'll also see a red circle in the upper right to let you know there is a document available in the queue. Click on the red circle to download the file, or click on the X to the left of the file to remove the notification. You can also translate a PDF document. Click Translate, then browse to your saved file. For some of the more difficult languages, like Hebrew, that are read from right to left, it's best if you check the box that you want an enhanced translation, because that will provide a more accurate translation, although you may lose some of the formatting. Then select your from language. I'll select English, and your to language. I'll select Italian. Then click View Translation. The original English PDF is on the left, and the Italian translation is on the right. As you've seen in this video, Orbitax makes it easy to access key worldwide tax return forms professionally translated into English. You can also perform currency conversions and translate Excel, Word, or PDF documents from a foreign language to English, or vice versa. For more training on your products, visit producttraining.checkpoint.tr.com, where you'll find a variety of training options and many opportunities to earn CPE credit. To get additional support, speak to a sales representative, or place an order online, follow the information on your screen. Thanks for watching.